Hi, this is Bobby. I'm going to show you how to prepare a GNC Spray Rig pump system for cool weather. This is not what you do if it's going to freeze, but if it is going to be, say, 30 or above, right there in that area, this would work fine for you. Be sure and check out our other video on how to winterize your pump system for a deep, hard freeze. All right, guys, so here's the first steps on what to do. First thing you want to do is you want to set your pump system to pressure release, and you want to put the pump into start so you have zero pressure showing on the gauge. That'll make sure there's no pressure in the system, and it will have air in it so there won't be liquid to freeze. On this pump system, it does have a piston drive system, so you don't have to worry about, we don't have a diaphragm system on this one. So what we're gonna do, the first thing we're gonna do is we're going to take off the gun. Okay. And then with the gun, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and push it like you were activating it to get all the water to drain out, and actually just leave it engaged like that. So there will be no water in the system. So if it does freeze, there's no water to expand and break into plastic. So this is set up and ready to go for next year or after you come back from that cool weather. The next step is going to go to your sight glass. On the sight glass, you want to just take it off. And once we do that, we're going to store this inside the cab of the vehicle. That's where we always keep it, so we know where it's at for each vehicle. And when you do that, that actually is going to create, it's going to release the air vacuum, so all the hoses now have air in them. The hose has air into the system, and now there's nothing here, if it starts to get cool, that can freeze and expand. This is what we do for a cool weather. Not necessarily a hard freeze. We are going to do another video here in just a minute for what we do for a hard freeze. But once you do this, all you need to do is close up your system, lock it up, and then here in just a few minutes I'm going to show you how to wrap it up. And you're going to put some cloths over it, a tarp over it, and strap it down, and that will protect it from the elements as well. This is what you do if you don't have a place to store it over in a heated, storage unit or a garage or something like that. This is what you do. So we'll show you that part here in just a second. All right, guys, so what we're gonna do next, the next step is gonna be to cover the pump and the hose reel with blankets. We're gonna cover the whole system with the tarp, and we'll use these bungee cords to keep it tied down. Now that we've got the pump and the hose reel wrapped with the blankets, we've got our tarp on, we've got it bungee corded in, now we have completely prepared our system.